voice is on. Okay, we got the Christmas tree. Maybe. Making our Christmas memories. Hi babes, welcome back to another Vlogmas. Today is Vlogmas day 10 and I am about to get ready. It is super late. It is 6:12 at the moment and I actually napped all day, did a bunch of editing work, and now I'm finally getting the time to be productive and actually do something in my life. I have a couple of things on the list for today. I need to finish up on my nails because I have my middle finger painted and none of my other nails, which is still insane. Like, I don't understand. I never do this. My boyfriend actually painted this one nail and that's just how it stayed. So I'm going to get ready. I'm gonna go to a soccer game later and I'm also going to decorate today because it is time for some Christmas decorations in the house. I am not feeling the Christmas spirit at all and I was really feeling it like last month. You guys know when I first started like doing like the daily vlogs and stuff, I was really feeling the Christmas spirit and right now I'm not, and it's time to start feeling the Christmas spirit. So I'm going to quickly do my makeup. I'm gonna sit here and actually like talk to you guys and like, kind of show you guys what I'm doing. I'm not going to do too much. It's literally just going to be brows, some mascara, a little bit of concealer under my eyes to really just conceal, or maybe I won't conceal. Now I'm going to conceal. I mean, I have some time to conceal, so why not just conceal? I have days where I just sit down and don't conceal my eyebrows at all. I mean, not my eyebrows, my face, and that works just fine. But I mean, maybe I might just snap like a picture or something, so it'll be fun, or I mean it will be better and nicer if I have some concealer on my under my eyes, because then it just looks like I have like a full face of makeup on. So yesterday was actually a hot mess at vlogging. This is like the time for me to kill it with my Instagram posts and stuff, but hopefully Monday, tomorrow, it's going to get a little bit better. I want to really like start focusing and planning out some content because it's time. It is time. I feel like I've definitely changed and become way more private though, now that I think about it. So I've definitely become way more private. Ooh, the dogs are making a lot of noise. What's going on? And I'm just not doing that as much anymore. And I don't really know what it is that made me like become this private, to be really honest. I just feel like I really am a lot more private than I used to be. Oh, before I forget, I need to upload another Vlogmas today. I can't forget because I posted one this morning. Yeah, this morning. I wanted to post the second one today so we can start jumping into the Aruba vlogs, because it's just a lot of what's it called, a lot of just packing and struggling with like my anxiety kind of vlogs. And I'm honestly a little bit tired of it. I just want Aruba vlogs to just like start going live. I do wish I could have been a little bit more productive today, in the sense that like actually do something and not just sit down and edit a bunch of vlogs. But at the same time, I did a lot of pre-work. So for the next couple of days, I don't have to sit down and finish up on editing all the videos. Like I can do, you know, like just say I'm starting to edit kind of thing, you know. Just like, okay, well, it's early in the morning, I feel like putting in some work, so let me just start editing for like an hour and then just stop when I'm done, or I can stop after an hour even if I'm not done, because then I still have time to work on them after. So that's the kind of thing that I can do now. If the lighting was better here, because now I use this light right here, maybe, now that I think about it, I don't know, maybe it won't work, maybe it will, because we have another one of these lights, right? So if I put it on the other side, and just make the background look a little cute, aka make the bed. Maybe I can just use this to film some like Instagram videos. I don't know, because I'm thinking about filming Instagram videos tomorrow, or videos, one video tomorrow, like tomorrow morning. Just get up, shower, eat, and start filming right away. But I think I'm just gonna do that in the living room because I think that's just a lot, not safer, but more I'm going to be sure that that's going to just work out. And I'm not a big fan of like the mascara feeling, especially when I have to take it off at night. I don't like it. I'm gonna take this setting spray. It's the All Day Setting Spray by Contour Cosmetics. It is really, really dirty, I know. I'm now quickly going to edit. Ooh, okay then, that's what we're doing. Quickly going to edit some pictures my mom wants me to edit for her. Then I'm editing the thumbnail that has to go live in literally 3 hours ago. And what am I doing then? Oh, then we're taking a Christmas tree, right? Yay!
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
Let's go get the Christmas tree. I saw it and it's there. Say hi to the peoples. Hey. Let me show you guys a little quick OOTD for what I'm wearing to the game. Honestly, now that I look at it in the mirror, I don't feel like I like it as much. I used to like high-waisted jeans on me like in the summer, but I feel like I don't like it anymore. I'm wearing this top I got from H&M. I actually bought this at H&M not too long ago. And then I have on these shorts from Primark. And this belt is also from Primark. I should have bought you flowers. Sir! Because I swear we haven't moved the Christmas tree in like 3 years. Oh wait, this looks like a bunch of like Christmas things in here. Okay. We got the Christmas tree. So it looks like there are some Christmas decorations in here. Hopefully no animals, because I cannot stand it when we find like pigas. I know how you say it in English. But basically like little like night lizards. Are they night lizards?
Geckos?
Geckos! No, but they're not geckos. They're really like transparent looking geckos. It's not cute. Hi, my baby's dancing. She's dancing with another man. Look, she's not even helping. Look, look. Okay, so now that we have the Christmas tree here. Okay, that was not part of the plan. So now that we have the Christmas tree here, we just need to decide exactly what we're doing. Because, you know, I want to go all out. I really want to have everything like spot clean and like perfect for all the decorations. So I'm thinking about putting the Christmas tree in a corner. I think I said it in yesterday's vlog. I want to put it in the corner, and then I want to move the fireplace right next to the tree, or put a mirror in between the fireplace and the Christmas tree. Not sure yet, but I think that that's what I want to do, because I at least want a mirror in here so I can take some mirror selfies and just have a mirror in the living room. I can't figure out what I want. I think I'm gonna go look at Pinterest and look at some inspiration, because we're not decorating tonight, because I have to leave it like a little bit, but I don't know. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Pinterest, let's go.
I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you.
Okay, let's go to the game.
These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh,
Sina? So the game just finished and the boys lost. So now I just want some Wendy's. I think we're gonna go home after that because there's not really anything to do on Sunday nights. There's not anything that I want to do. So I think I'm going home.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.